Okay, so this is going to be a quick one. I just want to show you an example of my presentation slides I use for my seminar to highlight what makes it interesting, how to make it attractive, so it's easy for your audience to understand and to keep your audience hooked to whatever you are done a series on seminar, and this is part of that series. Under the playlist you see seminar there, and if you don't know how to prepare your slides, I've already done that. So let's head over to my presentation slide. Now this is my seminar presentation slides on the topic depression that I did for my PhD, and you can see that I started with a very nice theme. Okay, I did this on my phone using Microsoft PowerPoint app. Everything done on my phone. If you want to see how I did it, you can just go in the description box below, the link is there. So I started with capital letters as my cover page or cover slide, my first slide 1, and you can see that I used white text on a dark background. So you have to use light text on a dark background or use dark text on a light background. So you can also see that I used a picture here to show someone being depressed, okay, because that's my topic, and I also use picture effects. Okay, remember that I did this on my phone. So in the next one, I put pictures in some slides and effects by the corner. You can put by the corner, in the middle. Just make sure that it goes well with your write up and it's not blocking or making your text invisible. And you also notice here that because my topic is depression, I highlighted the word depression throughout the slide so that your attention will be focused on that word. Okay, you notice the spacing. If the wordings is too much, you reduce it to save time, but I put it like this because I wasn't going to say everything I was presenting, and you notice that my slides are 31 in total, and that's because I had 10 to 15 minutes to present this work. If your work is your time given is smaller, then you have to reduce the number of slides. For like 5 minutes you need about 10 to 15 slides to cover it. Okay, so if you go down, you will see that. Let me go on to the slideshow so that you will notice. If I click here, it goes to slideshow. Now you notice that I also use transition, which moves from one slide to the other, and I also used animation, okay, which shows the text to life, brings it to life. You can see that the text goes and it can come, so that if I'm talking about this, your major depression and minor depression, your focus is on that, and when I go to the next one, it moves your focus to that as well. Now there's another thing I would like to show you, is that you can change the layout of your slides. If you notice, this particular slide shows is a single slide with just the heading and the topic, while this one is like 2 slides joined together. Okay, so look at it now. You can see that animated effect and see that come in. Okay, saving the number of slides and how many times your reader has to look at it, and you can see the picture there, well balanced. If you notice, I also put cited my references as well. Now to show you I'm going to show you how my pictures went from being depressed, and you notice that it went from being depressed to, when it came to diagnosis, you can see I put the picture of the man in the hospital and someone attending to him. As you go further, you will see that I actually made from this solving depression and went to smiling, okay, at the end. So it shows that it can be cured, there is, because I'm dealing in on public health, okay, to prevent, promote, and protect the public, this thing. So next is that I also used another color to highlight the particular model I want, and I used image in full to really show the steps. You can go ahead to use charts instead, or use a smart art graphic to actually show what you're talking about, and it will save you the time. Okay, so if you go ahead, I also put references at the end, and I made the font smaller because no one really checks references to know what they say. They check it, but they don't check it as much as your words to find out what you're saying. So I made it smaller to show that I actually reference. These references also came inside my report, because that is where I actually picked this words. Okay, so that's all. And at the end, I also put a thank you slide to tell them thank you. So you can see that this was just an example. If you want to know how to prepare it, I said the link is in the description box below. If you want the full package, I've written a book on it, okay, for at 1,500 naira you will get the book. For the soft copy remains 1,000 naira for those who cannot get the hard copy. Soft copy is available. All you have to do is just send me an email, and my address is in the description box below. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section, and in my next video I'm going to show you how seminar or other presentation, especially seminar, is assessed, okay, so that you will know what you are doing when you are rehearsing, practicing for your seminar presentation, so that you can get the A that you deserve and have a good presentation. So see you in my next video. Take care. God bless you. Bye.